Hi everybody, my name is Mohammed Miraj. I'm the Head of Academic Professional Services here at Middlesex University, Dubai. And I'm really very excited to report that the first program that we've done for 2023 with the KFI Global organization and the fantastic presenters we've had, sponsored by Dubai Islamic Bank, has come to a tremendous success. I always reflect on these opportunities that our students get to enhance their career choices, but also their financial decision making outside the classroom. And it has been a tremendous success for us to see that our students have actively participated and learned about a life skill that's going to stay with them for many years. We want to thank KFI Global, we want to thank the presenters, we want to thank the Dubai Islamic Bank for the incredible opportunity that they've afforded our students. And also I want to thank my colleagues in Careers and Employability Services who have made this possible for our students. So I look forward to more engagement on financial literacy and how it helps youth plan for the future.
My name is Dr. Sedvin Fernandez. I'm the Pro Vice Chancellor at Middlesex University in Dubai. I'm so delighted that KFI Global and Dubai Islamic Bank came to our university and enlightened our students about financial empowerment. I personally believe that financial empowerment is one of the base empowerments in giving you freedom. And for KFI Global to come to our university and give our students a head start in their empowerment in this area is something which we are very grateful for, and we welcome them to come again and again and keep talking to our students, because our main goal at Middlesex University is to make our students 100% employable, but also independent, and there is nothing like financial independence. So thank you very much, KFI Global and Dubai Islamic Bank.
Hi, I'm Tia Lopez, an accounting and finance student at Middlesex University, Dubai. Today's session with the KFI Global team was really interactive as it expanded my knowledge about personal finance, and I also was able to improve my life skills upon saving money and also how to have a good credit score. I'm really thankful for my university for giving me this opportunity.
My name is Sufyan. I learned a lot of things on this program, but most importantly, money was a topic that often seemed intimidating. We're in a period of our life where we're not really in control of our finances, and we're going to be soon. It was a healthy discussion, being around your peers, seeing that some are like just as clueless as you are, but then others are kind of there to fill the gap, and we obviously got to learn a lot from our speaker.